Did you know that the letter O has 7 different sounds in English? Yes, 7. If you're learning English or you already speak it but it's not your mother tongue, continue watching this video to either learn the correct pronunciation or correct your incorrect pronunciation. I will teach you how to pronounce the words, you can practice aloud, and at the end of the video, you will be able to do a test to check whether you have learned this lesson well. The first sound is a simple O sound. So the first word will be orange, then hot, blog, clock, stop, and dog. As you can see, it's just a simple O sound. Now this sound is an O sound. It's not O like before, but O. So the words are hotel, moment, phone, no, home, and close. The next sound is an ah sound with a small mouth. You don't have to open your mouth wide and say ah. It's a small ah. Okay? So the first word is love. Love. The next one is honey. Then we have brother. Then comes one. One is the past of win. So the past of win and the number 1 sound exactly the same. 1 and number 1, exactly the same. Then we have front. And the last one is come. The next sound is an oo sound, a long oo. So the first word is who. Then we have to. Then lose. Then do. Then we have move. And the last one is prove. So realize it's a long oo. Okay? Oo. In this case, it's an oo sound, a short oo. The previous sound was a long oo, and now this is an oo. Okay? So the first word is woman. Short oo. Woman. And the next one is wolf. Wolf. Before we continue, I hope you don't mind me reminding you to click on the like button if you're liking the video so far, and to click on subscribe if you haven't done it before, and remember to click on the bell too so that you get notifications whenever I publish a new video. Thank you. Now we have an I sound. There's only one word, one of the common words, and this is women. Before we had the singular woman and the plural is women with an I sound. And now the last sound of the letter O, the 7th sound. This is a wa sound. Okay, 2 very common words, which are one and once. Now it's time for the test. You will see the word appear on the screen. You must pronounce it before you hear me with a solution. Okay, so first you'll see the word, pronounce it, and then you'll hear me with a solution. Are you ready? Okay, first word. Come. Come. Sun. Sun. Women. Women. Brother. Brother. Phone. Phone. Prove. Prove. Once. Once. Wolf. Wolf. Clock. Clock. Front. Front. Well, how did it go? Are you happy with your results? If you are, you can click on another video to learn more words. And if you need to review this lesson, just click on the video again and watch it as many times as you need to. The best way to learn a language is through practice and repetition and repetition.